Hey everyone, Laura here. We are on the MSC Meraviglia. We are in the Yacht Club. We have an interior suite, which is room 15027, and we wanted to just give you a tour.
Zoom right in there.
Oh.
15027.
Okay.
So we chose the interior suite because we wanted to get upgraded to the Yacht Club experience. Otherwise, we would normally have a balcony. We did a bid, and so for the bid, this is what we got. What was included in this was so much more important than a balcony, so this is why we chose.
Correct. So we were originally in a balcony, not in the Yacht Club experience, and then we bid for the upgrade to an interior.
And then you have to pay for your internet. You have to pay for it. Come on, guys, come on through.
Hello.
How we doing? How we doing?
Hey, how are you?
You're gonna be live. The whole world's gonna see you.
Oh, that's fine.
Famous people right there, guys.
Okay, are we ready to enter?
So yeah, you have to pay for everything extra, but now with the Yacht Club, we don't.
Correct.
So it's pretty
You
cool.
get the premium drink package.
The internet.
You get the internet.
We get our own private restaurant, the Yacht Club restaurant.
I can't
pool.
even begin to tell you.
We're gonna show them. We're gonna show them around the
Oh
ship.
my
So
gosh.
let's go. Let's go in the
So
room.
we have a bracelet here, which will open the room, and then I also have my room.
Yep, so let's
key,
show the
which will
bracelet
open
here.
the room. It's both the same way.
Yep.
You just tap it.
Boom. It just opens right up. Same thing goes with the card. All right. So in we go.
To turn the lights on and off, you need to put your card in to let them know you're here. Otherwise, the lights will shut down and the room will be pitch black. So you have to leave a card in there while you're in the room. And this is the interior room. It's about 175 square feet. Not very large, but we actually feel it's not cramped, which is nice.
No, Scott for some reason has developed claustrophobia in his old age, and I've had some issues on airplanes and other places like Disney rides. There's certain things I just can't do. But this is small. It's a closet, but it doesn't. I don't feel that feeling.
No.
I mean, it really just feels like any other stateroom, just minus a balcony.
Exactly.
So
it has both European sockets here and American sockets, which is good. There is a USB charging port here. We had some complimentary champagne because we are in a suite, and we have our own personal butler, which is like
Mark
amazing.
is the sweetest guy in the world. Yeah.
Oh my gosh! They walk you from the terminal.
They walked us from the curb in the rain. They were just
in the rain. They walk you in. You bypass all of the normal security and all the.
And you get this.
God. You get a special sticker which designates that you're in the yacht club. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
So then when you get, here's the closet area, and you have your robes and your slippers to wear, which is nice. Oh, I will say though, I do feel the storage, like those are
It's
the
a little
only
lacking, yeah.
drawers for storage, which is a little bit small.
But they do have some cubby holes on the sides of the beds. Light. It looks like no socket,
Plugs,
no socket or USB on either side.
Yeah.
So that's a bit of an issue.
Especially because I am a person who must have an alarm clock. I need to know what time it is when I wake up
Does
in the
your
middle of the
alarm have a
night.
battery on it?
It does not.
Oh, that'll be
But
fun.
I brought an extension cord, so maybe I can run it. I don't know. Because we are in a suite, we have a fully stocked mini bar, and they said anything we need, they'll just constantly replenish, which I think is pretty cool.
Of course, I've already made a couple requests.
And then we have, there is no couch. There's one chair, which I guess goes to the desk. And then we have the bathroom here.
You got this, your typical controller.
Yes,
You got,
and here we have the makeup room button versus the do not disturb button. So they know if we want the room made up or not.
and your bathroom, while in a yacht club, is, someone else had said this in another review, and they're right. It's fairly decently appointed, not fabulously, not extraordinarily appointed. It's very nice. It's very clean. Sink is decent size. Countertop could be bigger. Shower. See if I can get you from a better angle here. I don't really know if you can quite get that in. I would say that looks like it. I'm a big guy. I'm not going to tell you my weight because, 250 is too much to advertise. But I'm 6 feet tall. Forget about the weight. The shoulders are broad. The legs are long. I mean, sometimes I have to shower with my legs out of the, shower on the toilet seat. I won't have to do that here. There's plenty of room there to do everything you'll need to do. So that's the shower. Toilet, it's fairly standard. It's one of those. Oh, it's a longer one. I like the longer ones.
And it doesn't look like your knees are going to hit anything.
Nope. Which definitely happened to us on the NCL Gem. Believe it or not, the way it was positioned, I couldn't get in. Not because of my size or my weight. My knees were too long. Like when you sit like in an airplane, and your knees hit the chair in front of you. That's what happened.
Jade, not
and it was
the
the Jade, the NCL Jade. So, for doing some business, Scott went to the public bathrooms, which was insane. So I don't know that I'll ever sail on the Jade again. Not NCL. I would totally sail on NCL again.
That's it.
That's the room
You
tour.
have the room. Hope you enjoy.
We'll see you soon. Chowsers.